Welcome to another day in the life. We're actually, today is the last day in Spain. We're gonna go back to Serbia. That's where we live as well. That's where we have our residency. We'll see how the day is gonna be slightly different. Ludo, one of my super close friends, and we've been with him through many things together. He's been on the vlogs before. Actually, he has some things to do today with the bikes at my place. I've been behind with my Fiverr business, and this is a reality as well. This is normal, nothing crazy. Of course, you know, things are under control, but I've been behind. I'm not, let's say, very happy with. Oh, we actually got a spot, which we were lucky. I will do my best to catch up when we're in Serbia. That's like the best time as well, because we're just focusing on the work and nothing else. Okay, we got the spot. Perfect. Just park in front of the sea. All the people are walking. To be honest, I don't know if I like so much always being on this weather and this atmosphere, because I miss the city vibes, especially being in the city. You know, you're more focused, you're trying to hustle more, people are surrounded. It's like more this sort of atmosphere of just trying to do better, to try to, you know, like get in the zone as well. But here is nice, it's relaxing, but you can obviously still work here very hard and you can still do very well, but the city is better in some ways. Just got done with brunch. Actually, we're gonna go to a wedding with one of our very good friends, family friends, to Turkey in the next couple of days. Need to pick up my suit, which we bought here in Spain. Today's the last day. Actually, they just made some adjustments on the trousers, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna go and pick it up, get ready, and we'll have another trip soon to Bodrum, Turkey. Going to meet Ludo. He's coming now. Ludo, he's running e-bike business. He has bikes for hotels that he's giving. So he has a bike and some scooters in my storage. So he needs to pick them up. Now we're gonna take pictures because they're selling it to hotels. They need to have some more content. Ludo!
Heard a lot about you, great trainer.
Lucas, this is the main engineer, everything, created the product from scratch. Good. Finally meeting everyone.
Lucas was also checking with the tester. He was there with the full glasses. This is the worst slope we could try it on.
Why?
Because it's quite steep.
I remember we were filming one of the first vlogs and the bike was completely different, and this one is like so nice, Lucas. Ferrari. Okay, we had a good meeting with Fred. Hopefully Fred is gonna invest all his money into Unicorn. You did a good job, I'm proud of you. Lucas also did well. Now Lucas is doing the photo shoot for the Segway. So just finishing filming. We're gonna go and make a purchase of the bikes from Ludo. By the way, this is the Fiverr Award that I received the other month. As you can see here, I was nicely surprised. It's really like heavy and very good quality. So just gonna keep it here. And also I received this letter as well from Miha, and just explaining this happened. It's nice that the Fiverr actually is using the designers who made this. So you can see the username here. This is really cool. They did the same for New York Stock Exchange. When I was there, they do a lot of branding using their own designers on the platform. So that's cool to see.
just arrived to Belgrade. Finally back home after a long trip. We have Mihailo, our really good friend, is picking us up. Really actually warm here as well, the same weather as in Spain. Many people say it's colder in Serbia, but Serbia is, look how beautiful it is. New airport, 50 million euros have been invested from France to build this airport. Macron is here now, the French president as well. So it's a good city, it's a good country as well, great people. So going to back in the routine tomorrow, just going to be hustling, a lot of things to reflect on, a lot of things to work on. So yeah, pretty excited. Let's see where's Mihailo. This is amazing. This is one of the best camera.
Ooh, it's really cool.
Yeah.
So what is the name? Is Cosmo.
Osmo Pocket 3 is amazing. I think this is for you. It's perfect.
Very nice.